So sometimes this engine, you go to start it and it won't start, and that's because the decompression in the engine is gone. So you go to start it and it feels like your battery's flat, but in reality it's just too much compression for the engine to overcome. So anyways, take this off. I already loosened it up. It's pretty easy. Pop that off, and then you have to get the engine to top dead center, because that's what the engine can't overcome. And once it's at top dead center, put half throttle, cover the intake, and crank it. The brake's got to be on if you're not sitting in the seat. And then crank it. Whoa! Smokehead. Okay, so try again. Whoa, okay, then stop that. Put this back on. For professionals only. Don't try this at home. Actually, I've been doing that for the last 2 years, and that's the first time I filmed it and the first time it backfired. Yeah, I'm too cheap to buy a new lawnmower, and for like $3 grand, I'll put up with that inconvenience for a little while longer. To replace this lawnmower, or just to repair it, it's almost a write-off because it costs too much to repair. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and watch me in my next adventure.